Okay, the other part that we always expect in our paper is the part of trig, and that one is always there. Vectors and trig, they are compulsory in this paper. So now, number 15 was coming from the trig part. But it was showing that, by the way, the part of trig is also covered. You can visit the playlist and then you go through any part of trig you want. But now, they are telling us that show that tan 3 theta. By these numbers, all of them are in that trig part. So you can visit and see more. So they're telling us that show that tan 3 theta equals to tan theta into now 3 minus the square of tan over 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. We start from the left hand side. It's always easier to start from the left hand side. I have tan 3 theta, which I can break into, so this is the same as tan 2 theta plus theta. I think we all agree. Now we expand this using the multiple angle formula for tan, which will be tan 2 theta plus tan theta over 1 minus tan 2 theta tan theta. Now from there, we now know what tan 2 theta is. This is a clear identity. So tan 2 theta is equal to, you never needed to prove this. You don't need to prove this. It's a double angle formula for tan. When we substitute there, we have now here 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta plus tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta into tan theta. Now start here. All you had to do is multiply through by the LCM. So multiply here by the LCM and also down the side by the LCM. You can able to see that my LCM is 1 minus tan squared theta, and also here 1 minus tan squared theta. When I multiply tan squared theta, here it will go. So I'll be having now 2 tan theta. When I multiply this here, this will go. When I multiply here, I have plus tan theta. Then this times this minus tan cubed theta. The whole thing over. When I multiply this here, I get 1 minus tan squared theta. When I multiply it here, it will cancel to remain with plus. Sorry, to remain with now. This has multiplied this. I'll be having now. This will go to remain with now a minus 2 tan squared theta. Which when I simplify, I have now my tan 3 theta equals 2. I'm seeing that. Here I'll be remaining with 1 now tan theta minus, sorry, it will be getting me 3. It will be getting me 3 tan theta minus tan cubed theta over the denominator. If you have to simplify, I have 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. What is left is what to factorize out as the question wants. We factorize out tan theta up. So if I factorize out tan theta here, then with 3 minus tan squared theta, the whole thing over 1 minus I think our 3 tan squared theta, like you could see there. So that was part A. We come to part B. Part B, our part B was saying solve the equation. They gave us 4x plus cos 6x plus cos 2x equals to 0. They gave us a range from 0 degrees less x less 180 degrees, and these ones are also inclusive. Now here we have to first rearrange. Instead, when I combine these two, I produce this. So now you can say now cos 4x plus, now I use the I use the factor formula there. This and this will give us cos, so 2, get this cos of 6x plus 2x over 2. When I'm adding cos, I also get cos here minus 2x over 2, the whole giving me 0. So you have to get cos 4x plus 2 cos 4x cos 2x equal to 0. From there you can see that cos 4x is common. You'll be having 1 plus 2 cos 2x equals to 0. So either my cos 4x is 0 or my cos 2x is equal to negative a half. I start with this one. So from here, if my cos 4x is 0, then my 4x is going to be, now you see that here, I have to first correct the range. So now I'm going to work with, now 0, less or equal to 4x, now less or equal to, I multiply this by 4. So get here 180 times 4. So meaning I'm going to be working with that range there. So meaning cos inverse of 0, we have the 0 and also have the 270. Add here the 360. I'm going to be having this as 90 degrees there. Then add here 360. I have the 450. Add here 360. I have 630. So meaning that my x here, first of all, I'm going to divide by 4 throughout. I have 2.5, comma, 290 divided by 4, 67.5, comma, divided by 4, 2.5, then divide this by 4, 630, divided by 4, to get 157.5 degrees. Okay, then I come to this one. For cos 2x equals negative half. So my 2x here, I correct the range. The range is going to be now 0, less 2x, less 360. So this is negative, so meaning cos is negative in the second and the third quadrant, and cos inverse over half is 60. So meaning I'm going to be having now in the second quadrant, I have 120 degrees, and in the third I get 60 plus 180, which is 240 degrees, ending there. So my x here becomes 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Therefore, x was going to be from 22.5 degrees, comma 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, comma, followed by 2.5 degrees, followed by 120 degrees, and less by 175.0 degrees, and so that's how easy the trig number was. So, but if you want to see more about factor formula, please visit the playlist. Let's move to number 16.